Hey guys, back in another video. As you see right here, this is a new keyboard. Right here is where a keyboard that I got yesterday for Christmas. My mom got this for me. Thank you, Mom. But things were going on with this, so I wanted to send this back. And I got my own keyboard with my Christmas money that I got from my grandma. And I'm going to open it up. We're going to do a little unboxing. And I'm going to click it, see the different things with it. And as you see right here, it says PC, Mac, and Xbox. You see right there. That's cool. So let's go. Let's open up. That's the different colors and stuff about it. And let's open it up. Gotta get the keys. Wow, look at that, guys. I like the way it clicks. It's really satisfying. I hear it, and it's nice. It'll be good for gaming. And as you see right here, this is how you plug it in. There's a plug in here, and you plug that in. Let's see. Put this right here. New key is just keycaps. And a manual. And instruction. We don't need that. Here's the cord. See right here? That's how I'm do it. See right here? All you gotta do is right here and plug it in. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. As you see right here, I was so excited, so I really wanted to open it. So I unboxed it in the car, but when we get back to my lab, which is my room, and me sitting on my gaming throne, we'll be able to show you guys how it really looks like. All right, see you guys next video. This year out. Peace. This is a little review on my keyboard.